Hi, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Holden Rodeo, stock reference number 5883. This shape ran from the 3rd of 2003 to the 4th of 2007. It has a 4J H1 4-cylinder 3-litre turbo diesel engine backed by a manual all-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our 4J H1 4-cylinder 3-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, 1 dent. Left hand mirror. Left front door, 2 dents, fold at the rear, behind the handle, good private. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 16-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, 3 dents. Right front door trim. Right front seat. Center console. Manual gear shifter. Heated AC controls. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Right hand sun visor, tidy 5-spoke vinyl steering wheel.